Hello everyone, once again you're welcome to my channel. Thanks for all the time spent on watching my video. Today we'll be looking at how to make home
Okay,
bleach at home. Okay, let's get in.
for the purpose of this video, for this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to make a bleach, homemade bleach. Once you say hypo to some people, they will understand better because even the bleach itself is hydrochloride. Okay, so today we'll be looking into how to make it very simple and very easy to get. All you need is just these three ingredients. Here I have my chlorine. We call it chlorine in the market, hydrochloride. Okay, and then we need the sodium ash. Okay, so this is the main source of the bleach. The sulfate will help in the cleaning, and then the main cleaning agent also for which is a caustic soda. So we'll be using these three ingredients. And what are their measurements? I have this one as 125 grams, and it's also the same thing, 125 grams of sulfate. And then caustics, I have 67 there grams. Okay, and I want to produce 2 liters of bleach. Okay, so I'll be using 2 liters of water to mix it. Okay, so let's get there. I try grinding this because it takes time to dissolve. So all the same, we're going to start with it. Okay, we are going to soak them. I want to soak them separately. My container here, I will use this one to soak the chlorine. I pour my chlorine in it and then dissolve it. Okay, so you mix it. I decided to separate them. Okay, so you mix it. So because I've branded it, it's a bit easier for it to dissolve quickly. Okay, so I mix this one and then keep it aside. See part of the 2 liters. I will take some of the 2 liters. So I put this aside. I dissolve my caustic soda ash here. Okay, dissolve my soda ash there. I put this one aside. So I will allow it to stay for some time before I come back to mix them. Okay, like I said, you will need this scale to measure, to get accurate measurement for all your chemicals if you want to get good results. Okay, so you need to measure it, learn how to use it. Okay, as time goes on, we learn it too. Okay, it's time to mix all of them together now. I want to mix all of them together. The remaining water here is to complete the 2 liters. So let me put some because I will need to use it to rinse the bucket. So I pour the chlorine first. You can see underneath already. That's what I'm saying, so that I can have something to rinse it. Do you know that production of bleach is a two-way drive? because after producing the chlorine, the residue can still be used. Okay, so this is the soda ash I mixed. Okay, okay, mixing all of them together. So let me rinse all the containers. So I mix it thoroughly. So after mixing it like this, I will do the needful, and we have to cover it and leave it for some hours, some days. So it depends on how it's when it clears. But you know what? Okay, so this is after the days of leaving it. This, of course, this one is more than 3 days. And after this one, you can still see what you see on it. So what do? Just pack it away from it. I haven't cleared the face now. I cannot transfer it here before putting it into my gallon. Do it gently. You can see how clear it is very well now. Like the hypo you buy in the market, like the bleach you buy in the market. Take your time in pouring it. But don't pour the residue again. Okay, when the residue is coming, you pause. You still remember my book, the ebook. Lots of this you meet there. Over 30 recipe. Okay, I'm okay with this one. Okay, so I can pour it into my gallon now, and then avoid using your disposable bottles. If not, it will burst it, it will tear it. If you're here to subscribe at this moment, what are you waiting for? Like it, subscribe it, and share it. Please share it too. Share it out so that others can get it. Okay, let's put it in our gallon now. Our bleach is ready. You can see your bleach is ready. You can see here, you can see it now. This is a bleach. You can see it. So it's very easy. You can make it at all. You can use it for business. Begin to pack your bleach for sale now.